Bomb Squad class, where science meets safety, learning the science behind explosives. Did you know we have a Bomb Squad class? Hello everyone, today I share my experience with the Bomb Squad team. In this class we explored how Bomb Squad operate, the science behind explosives and how trained professionals safely manage dangerous situations. Stay with me to learn more and listen to the Bomb Squad experts.
When you're ready, then you're gonna start. So when we see that, we're gonna say fire in the hole 3 times, and then you're gonna count down 3, 2, 1. Keep holding this, and then you're gonna push the fire button. So move it down here like that. Yep. So one time first. Good.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Count down. I'll count down 3, 2, 1, and then you push it. 3, 2, 1.
See it lightning bolt, 7,600 feet a second. It's fast, man. So that's what we use to open the device, like a box or something. There's other devices that we can actually make, like full-on bombs with that cord C4, but that's too dangerous for this. We're too close. We'd be several hundred feet away. You probably wouldn't even be able to see it. What we say in the world, the EOD world, is if you can see it, it can see you. So we're generally always 100% behind cover, frontal and overhead protection. Anytime we set off a real bomb, we're not going to set off a bomb because it's very dangerous, liability. My boss would be very mad if I did it out here. Ariel would probably beat me down. So that's why we just use something very small like this. But this is what we use to open devices up, to take a look and start working with stuff.
The bomb disposal robot is used to handle explosive devices safely. It has wheels for movement, a robotic arm to manipulate objects, and cameras that allow operators to control it from a safe distance. And the bomb suit is protective gear worn by bomb technicians when handling explosive devices. It is heavily padded and reinforced to protect the body, head, and face from blast impact, heat, and other hazards. The suit helps reduce injury risk while technicians work in dangerous situations. By the way, 2 people need to help when someone wears the gear because it's really heavy. Overall, we enjoyed the class and found it very educational. We also discovered that it's all about teamwork, problem solving, and understanding how experts keep communities safe. If you enjoyed watching and listening to this video, please remember to share it to help educate others. Thank you.